Hello everyone. Let's try to solve this question from the chapter Electromagnetic Waves. Let's go to the question and try to understand what is given in the question. An electromagnetic wave is traveling in a medium with velocity v is equal to vi. Okay, so velocity of electromagnetic wave is given v I cap. Okay, that means it is in x direction. So it is asked to draw a sketch showing the propagation of the electromagnetic wave, indicating the direction of the oscillating magnetic and electric fields. Okay, so we have to draw basically the sketch. So as we know that both the electric as well as magnetic field, their oscillations are perpendicular to the direction of the velocity of the electromagnetic wave. So here our velocity is in x direction. So both the electric as well as magnetic field will be perpendicular to the x direction. So let's try to draw a graph, or let's try to basically draw the sketch. So it will be, let's say this is our x-axis. Let us say this is our y-axis and this is our z-axis. Okay, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. So the velocity of the electromagnetic wave is given in x direction, that is this direction. So both the electric as well as magnetic field will be perpendicular. So let's draw the electric field. So it will be in y direction and it will be sinusoidal as we know. So it will be somewhat like this. Okay, and what about the magnetic field? It will be again perpendicular to this electric field and also to this x direction. So it will be somewhat like in the xz plane. Okay, so these are basically the electric field lines, which is basically in the xy plane, and these are the magnetic field lines which are in the xz plane. Okay, so we will be denoting like, let's see, this will be y-axis, this will be x-axis, and this will be z-axis. So this is x, so this denotes the direction of the velocity of electromagnetic waves. This is y, so this denotes the electric field direction, and this is z, so this denotes the magnetic field direction. So this is the basically the sketch for the first part. Now let's see what's the second part. So in the second part it's asked how are the magnitudes of the electric and magnetic fields related to the velocity of the electromagnetic waves. So we know that there is a formula of E is equals to C into B, that there is a relation E equals to CB where E is nothing but magnitude of electric field, B is magnitude of magnetic field, and C is nothing but the speed of light, or here it's the electromagnetic waves. So this is the basically the required relation between the electric field, the magnetic field, and the velocity of the electromagnetic